This video shows you how to self-install your Belong DWA0122 modem for homes with a fibre to the premise or FTTP NBN connection. We know that's tech talk, so don't freak out. Each home is different and we've written down your NBN connection type in your welcome email. To set up another modem, like a Belong Sagecom modem or another NBN connection type, go to belong.com.au/welcome or check the video description for links. Before we begin, make sure any equipment you rely on, like security, medical, or fire alarms, will work on your NBN connection. It's a good idea to have a charged mobile phone nearby so you can still contact people and use the internet in the meantime. Do you have your NBN box? It's a white box attached to the wall around 23 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. They sometimes hide in strange places like cupboards, pantries, garages, or low to the ground. It might have a cover that you'll need to pop off by squeezing the sides gently. You can pop it back on once your connection is set up. The NBN box has 9 lights across the top and 7 ports across the bottom. 2 of these are Uni-V ports, which you won't need. There are 4 Uni-D ports and a power port. Your NBN box is attached to the wall and will need to stay there even when you move homes. If you can't find your NBN box, please contact us at belong.com.au/support. Power up your NBN box. Check that the NBN box's power cable is secure and that it is powered on. Now grab your modem box. It is made of 100% recycled paper. Open it up and you'll notice that there's no plastic packaging inside. Any paper mist on the modem or cables is safe to wipe away. The modem is a black box, 21 centimeters wide, 18.5 centimeters high, and 3 centimeters deep. The front of the modem shows the Belong logo. Hi there! The rear of the modem has a grey DSL port, 4 yellow LAN ports, a red WAN port, a black DCIN power socket, a black on and off button, and a black reset button that requires a paperclip or pin or really tiny hands to push it. The top of the modem has 8 lights, because we love a party. The left side of the modem has a black WPS button. The bottom of the modem has 4 raised feet, 2 wall mounting brackets, and a sticker panel with your Wi-Fi login information and a QR code. The modem comes with a thin black modem power cord, a thin black modem DSL cable, 2 white Ethernet cables, a quick setup guide, and a Wi-Fi card. Now let's position your modem. Your modem should be placed on a flat surface with the feet down. Or if the modem is wall mounted, the feet should be pointed towards the wall. For best results, you should try and put your modem in a direct line of sight near the center of your home. It should be away from larger electronic devices like fridges, microwaves, or nuclear reactors. Your NBN box may need to be beside the modem, which may limit your options of where you can put it, unless you have smart home wiring. For more tips on where to position your modem, check the video description for links. Now let's connect your modem to the NBN box. Grab the white Ethernet cable and plug one end into the Uni-D port 1 on the NBN box. It's the 3rd port along the bottom, unless we tell you to use a different Uni-D port via SMS or in your welcome email. Plug the other end into the red WAN port on the back of your Belong modem. This is the last Ethernet port on the right. Plug one end of the black modem power cord into the back of the Belong modem, using the socket labelled DCIN, which is to the left of the on and off button. Plug the other end into a power socket and turn it on. Pushing the on-off button makes a really satisfying clicking sound, and you guessed it, turns the modem on and off. The button will be pushed in when the modem is on and popped out when the modem is off. Turn on the modem, making sure the NBN box is also on. Wait for up to 10 minutes for the sync, internet, and status lights on the top of the modem to turn green. Your modem will now be ready to connect to your internet-enabled devices. To connect a device with an Ethernet cable, plug one end of the white Ethernet cable into your device's Ethernet LAN port or adapter. Plug the other end into the back of the Belong modem using one of the yellow LAN ports labelled 1 to 4. The first LAN port is the 2nd port from the left. The relevant LAN port's light will light up. On the NBN box, the Uni-D light flashes either orange or green. To connect a device using Wi-Fi, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and use the Wi-Fi network name and password written on your Wi-Fi card or on the sticker on the bottom of the modem in the lower right. You can quickly set up mobile devices that can read QR codes. A QR code is a graphic that looks a little bit like a low-res fingerprint or a confused jigsaw puzzle. Simply open up your camera app, point the camera at the QR code on the Wi-Fi card or on the bottom of your modem. A web link will open to help you connect automatically. If you have a WPS-enabled device, like a laptop, you can connect the modem without entering a password. Simply go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device and select the Wi-Fi name written on your Wi-Fi card or on the sticker on the back of the modem. When it prompts you to enter your password, press the WPS button on the left side of the modem. The WPS light on the top of the modem will flash and your device should connect automatically. You should now be ready to use the internet in your home. If you need a hand along the way, we're here to help. Contact us at belong.com.au/support.